Traders of the euro continue to recoup losses amid the encouraging comments provided by the ECB. On Monday, Christine Lagarde said that better prospects for global demand and quicker than expected jump in consumer spending could lead to stronger economic growth. Thus, investors' hopes for a confident economic recovery in Europe have grown. What's more, today's business activity data has also added optimism to the market. The Eurozone PMI data exceeded the already positive forecast. Thus, the manufacturing PMI remained unchanged, whereas economists had expected a slide to 62.2 points from 63.1. Business activity in the services sector advanced to 58 points from 55.2 points against the forecast of a rise to 57.6. As a result, the composite PMI climbed to 59.2. Analysts had foreseen an increase to 58.9 points from 57.1. The preliminary estimates was the only factor that prevented the euro from a rally. As a result, the euro showed a modest rise despite such a jump in business activity. At the same time, the pound sterling reacted more actively to the report. However, in the UK, the PMI data turned out to be below the forecast, which had predicted a decline in business activity. The services PMI showed the worst performance and slumped to 61.7 points. Analysts had expected a drop to 62.5 from 62.9. The UK manufacturing PMI slid to 64.2 points from 65.6, whereas economists had foreseen a smaller decrease to 64.5. As a result, the composite PMI declined to 61.7 points from 62.9, which is against the forecast of a drop to 62.7. Thus, there is no wonder that the pound sterling stopped gaining in value. However, expectations of the US flash data on business activity are preventing the pound sterling from a decline. Notably, the forecast is really disappointing. The US dollar may also lose positions amid the new home sales report, which is likely to show a decline of 2.1%. Judging by the reaction to yesterday's report on the existing home sales, investors are closely monitoring the US statistics. Thus, the euro and the pound sterling may jump. Let us take a look at the trading charts. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair continued recovering. As a result, the pair approached the lower limit of the psychological area that is located between the levels of 1.1950, 1.2000 and 1.2150. Notably, the quote was hovering within the range before the Fed's decision to raise the key interest rate. Analyzing the current chart, we can see that the pair is trading near 1.1950. If the price consolidates above 1.1965, it may climb to 1.20. The pound-dollar pair is showing the same dynamic. It's fluctuating between the levels of 1.3950, 1.40 and 1.4050. Notably, the correctional movement from the support level of 1.3785 is still in force. On the trading chart, we can see that buyers have already approached the level of 1.40, thus proving a further rise. If the price consolidates above 1.4010, buyers may become even more active. Otherwise, the volume of long positions may decline. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.